Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing how we can cite the paper whenever you are writing Microsoft Word software. So here, after completing this video, you will be able to add a reference in the text and cite it. You will be able to import the reference from Google Scholar. You can cite it and generate the reference list as per given format. So firstly, it is very important that we should how we can add the references in the Microsoft Word. So here I have added two references. Let us take one more example and let us see. I want to add some paper. So for writing the reference paper, what I will do, writing the reference, what I will do, I will go to the Google Scholar website, and suppose I want to do reference citation of, let us say I want to cite this particular paper, and let us see how I can cite it. So here there is a button which is showing different formats. So I copy this format, and now I am coming to this. So the author is Akash Saxena. This is my full name. This is corresponding author also. So what I will do here, the page numbers are not actually given in this particular recently published article. So general name is Expert Systems with Application, and it is published in 2022. Now let us check the citation. Here the title of the paper will be coming, and this will be like this. Okay, and this is, if I place it okay, here these all three papers are actually coming in the current list. Okay, so what I will do, once it is added, so let me write. Suppose I am writing a part that for, let us say that Akash Saxena proposed an algorithm on the basis of opposition based learning in reference. If you want to cite reference over here, insert citation, and you will be having this Akash Saxena 2022. So let me say, and if you want to publish this bibliography will be published in this, like this. This is the bibliography which is publishing in this. And if you want to cite it reference, so this references will be coming in like this. So here you can say there Saxena A 2019 it is coming, and here Shekhawat is coming. So what I will do, I will again change this particular part which is showing. Let me insert only the surname of the author. So if I click it yes, okay, close, and now again I will generate this bibliography. So if I generate this bibliography, I will delete it now. Now let me cite out this Saxena 2022 is coming now. Now I will if I do the reference, it is coming into this, like this it is coming. So it is a uniform, quite uniform. So accordingly you can change the citation, you can write the citation, and accordingly you can write the paper on Microsoft Word easily. Thank you very much for patience listening.